our breaking news. As you see today, we have gears for dampers. This is our standard plastic gear. So we assemble pin to the gear and spend about 3-5 seconds to assemble one detail. This is quite much. So if you want to save some time, we produced new gears with the pin which is already molded inside. You see, they're going together, you can't take them apart, as well as new bushing, the same. So now you can calculate how much time you can save in 1 week, in 1 month, in 1 year. So new details are going with the standard laser and absolutely available on our website. The code for them is NG100P. The previous gears, which are going with the metal pin for moving dampers, are absolutely available on our website as well, and the code for them is NG100. So this is all news for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.